2017 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Come see the car for yourself.